Never use plain tap water again, do this instead. Using tap water on your houseplants? You might be one glass away from a chemical meltdown. That water can contain chlorine that kills beneficial soil microbes, fluoride that burns leaf tips, and minerals that choke out roots. But the fix is cheap and incredibly simple. Stick around, and I'll show you 3 dead simple hacks to turn your tap water into a superfood for your plants. Hack number 1. Let it breathe. The easiest fix is for chlorine. Just fill an open-mouth container with tap water and let it sit out for 24 hours. During this time, the chlorine will evaporate right into the air. Use a wide, shallow container instead of a narrow bottle. More surface area means faster off-gassing. This is a free, effortless way to get safer water for your plants. Hack number 2. Filter the stubborn stuff. Letting water sit doesn't remove everything. Stubborn additives like chloramine, fluoride, and excess minerals need to be filtered out. A simple carbon filter, like the one in a Brita pitcher, will effectively grab chlorine and chloramine. For more sensitive plants, look for filters specifically rated to reduce fluoride. This is a great, low-effort way to get consistently clean water. Hack number 3. The VIP treatment. For your fussy or high-value plants, like orchids, calatheas, or carnivorous plants, upgrade to the gold standard, rainwater or distilled water. Rainwater is naturally soft and free of chemical additives. Just stick a clean bucket under a downspout to collect it. No rain. A gallon of distilled water from the grocery store is a cheap and pure alternative. If you're learning something new, do me a favor and hit that like button. Let me know in the comments which of these hacks you're going to try first. So there you have it. Stop using plain tap water. Let it sit for 24 hours, run it through a filter, or upgrade to rainwater for your most prized plants. Pick the method that works for you, and you'll trade crispy brown edges for healthy, glossy leaves. Have questions? Drop them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more plant hacks that actually work.